Eating habits for a healthy lifestyle. Making positive decisions regarding food that offers sufficient nutrients to sustain excellent health, prevent deficiency illnesses, and chronic diet-related problems is the essence of healthy eating. Here are a few dietary guidelines to keep in mind. Eat your veggies. Include 2 servings of sprouts and vegetable salads in your daily diet. Include greens 3 times each week. Potato, sweet potato, yam, tapioca, beetroot, and jackfruit seeds should be avoided. Salads, raw veggies, should be eaten before each meal. Dinner should not include rice, thick dal, pulses, or fruits. Eat fruits every day. Incorporate at least 3 servings of fresh fruits into your daily diet. On an empty stomach, between meals, consume a dish of fresh-cut fruits. Always choose whole fruits over juices. Drink up milk. Whole milk is preferable over low-fat or skimmed milk. Avoid whole milk as well as milk derivatives such as butter, ghee, cheese, and paneer. Lean is superior. White meat should be preferred over red meat since it contains more saturated fat than lean meats. Red meat, organ meat, egg yolk, sausages, fried fish, fried chicken, and chicken with skin should all be avoided. Fried chicken or fish is favored over boiled, steamed chicken or fish. Reduce the salt. Reduce your regular salt consumption. Consume no more than 6 grams of salt each day, 1–2 teaspoons. Pink Himalayan salt and rock salt are 2 salts that can be used in our diets. Toss the sugar in a bowl. Reduce your everyday use of added and processed sugar. Prefer natural sugar sources over added or processed sugar. Keep hydrated. Water consumption should be at least 3 L each day. Before each meal, drink 1 glass of water. When you wake up, drink a glass of lukewarm water with a few drops of lime, optional. Avoid carbonated beverages and sodas. Drink in moderation if you consume alcoholic beverages. Get rid of junk food. Limit or eliminate any sugar-added processed and junk foods that are rich in calories but low in nutrients. Avoid refined or processed meals, sweets, deep-fried foods, and junk foods. It is preferable to consume little or no fat. Meals served on time. Maintain consistent meal times. Do not skip meals and avoid extended meal intervals. Eat modest, frequent meals. Eat a small meal early in the evening,